Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with WooCommerce using Stripe easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section on the left-hand menu. Click on the Add New button at the top. In the search bar, type WooCommerce Stripe Payment Gateway. Find the plugin and click on the Install Now button. After the installation is complete, click on Activate. Once activated, go to the WooCommerce settings from the left menu. Click on the Payments tab at the top. You will see a list of available payment methods. Locate Stripe and toggle it to enable. Click on the Setup link next to Stripe. You will need to enter your Stripe account keys for authorization. Log into your Stripe account in a new browser tab. Go to the Developers section in your Stripe dashboard. Select API keys from the left-hand menu. Copy your publishable key and your secret key. Return to your WooCommerce settings. Paste the publishable key in the appropriate field. Next, paste the secret key in its respective field. Make sure to check the option for Enable Stripe. Review the additional settings tailored to your needs. Scroll down and click on Save Changes. You can now test the payment method in your store. Add a product to your cart and proceed to checkout. Select Stripe as the payment method to ensure it works correctly. Complete a test transaction using a test card number from Stripe. After testing, check your Stripe dashboard to confirm the transaction. Congratulations, you have successfully authorized WooCommerce with Stripe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.